Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the headlight on a Jaguar X-Type. That will cover 2001 auto and 2009 generation. So stay with us to see how we're going to do that. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. We have a new video on our channel every day. Unfortunately, guys, you have to remove the bumper cover in order to get to the headlight. So first thing that we'll need to do, we will need to remove the turn signals right here. So if you push this way with a prying tool or a screwdriver, and now if you push, if you actually turn the bulb counterclockwise, it's going to come out. But if it doesn't, what you need to do, you need to pull that metal piece out, and if you pull it up, sometimes they get stuck if they've never been replaced. Okay, like that, and you'll be able to remove the wires. Okay, just like that. That's the first thing that you need to do, and you can go ahead and install the back together. Okay, now we need to remove the driver's side tire, and there is 3 bolts that we need to remove with a flathead screwdriver, or you can use a T2. Okay, you can see where they're located. So all these 3 bolts need to go, so you can pull the fender liner out of the bumper there. Once you pull the fender liner out of the way, there is 1 bolt, as you can see. The second one, the first one is just a nut, the second one is a bolt with a 10mm wrench. You need to get this one loose, okay, just like that. Now we need to go underneath the vehicle, and there is more bolts that we need to remove with the flathead screwdriver. Okay, as you can see, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 so far. And there is 1 more in the middle, right there, so that will be 4. And you actually do not need to remove that plastic cover all the way, because the bumper will slide out of there, so you can leave it there. So all we need to do is remove the one that holds the bumper, and there is 3 more on the other side. Okay, right there. Okay, you can see we're on the passenger side. So altogether should be 7 bolts underneath, 3 on the fender liner on the left one, and there should be 3 on the right one. Okay, we removed the one on the bottom. Now we need to remove on the right side, on the right passenger side. You need to go ahead and remove the tire, and there is 3 more. The one we did on the other side, identical. We got them loose so we can save you guys time and don't waste your time watching a long video. And now we need to do the same to that light. You can do it from the inside, but the wire is very short and we don't recommend it. So it's easier just to remove it, and once you remove it, you can just not worry about breaking the wire. Okay, right there. You need to pull the metal piece out again. Okay, just like that, and then you can release the wires. And then you can go ahead and install the light, because you will not have the cable holding the bumper anymore. So it just clips in like that. Okay, once we remove the 3 bolts, now you have 1 more nut, like 1 more bolt right there, just the same way we had on the other side. The first one is a nut, the second one is a bolt with that 10mm socket or wrench. Just go ahead and remove it as well. Okay, we got it loose. Once you get it loose, they usually go by hand pretty easy. Okay, that's what it looks like. Okay, now on the top right here we have 2 bolts with a 10mm socket. So we need to remove these 2 on the left, 2 on the right side. Okay, just like that. Okay guys, and on the left side now, if you go, those are the wires for the whole bumper assembly right there. If you have the fog lights, the temperature sensor. So all you have to do on this one, all you need to do is just push in like that and pull the other one out. So now if you start on one side and you start pulling out, just be gentle with it. Okay, you can see it goes like that there, so you need to do that on each side. just like that. It clips in pretty good, and now you need to put there on the side. Oh, and that's what happens if you're not careful. Alright guys, we're going to show you now on the left side. So it's identical left right side, and you have two bolts that you will need to remove now with a 10mm socket. Or you can see one is right here and the other one is over there, just under the lenses there, so you can see where exactly the bolts are. Okay, just like that, pretty simple. The only thing that it's not fun is that you need to remove the bumper cover to get to the headlight. Most of the new vehicles are that way now. And now the wires, you need to remove the wires before we proceed putting the headlight. The wiring is right there, so once we remove it, we will show you exactly how that thing works. So if you get the screwdriver there, you can hear it clicking, and now you should be able to put the wires out, okay? Just like that. So what you need to do, just get the screwdriver right there and pry a little bit, careful not to break the plastic notch. And these guys, this is the headlight right there. Alright guys, you can see how bad those things are. We have the video on our channel how to make those things like look like brand new again. So find the video on our channel, or even, we might have the link in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can guys save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.